Welcome to Alfra English Channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own. When you visit other places, do you take photos or buy postcards?
I used to buy postcards whenever I visited a new place with my parents in my childhood. Perhaps I did so to bring souvenirs of the places I had been to. But with the increasing use of the smartphone and cameras, we can now take our own picture and video and frame it to our digital storage. In this age of technological advancement, we are more inclined to take picture and video, and then share those with friends and family rather than purchasing souvenirs, especially postcards.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.